That was passion when you said that's what you like.
Hey, Joey, I'm ringing the bell. All
right. First person eliminated. 1 vote, Mary Ann.
You built a really big box. You could have made a little shower.
2 votes, Mary Ann.
Oh no!
1 vote, Randy.
Me? I know you're writing.
2 votes, Randy. Oh. Randy gone. And the first person voted on her for Union Camping, Mary Ann. And now I'd like to present you.
Voted against you? My mother.
The first out award.
I was gonna vote against you as a joke.
Good thing you did it.
Oh wow! First person of the year.
Oh,
Let me see what you got,
World's greatest outdoorsman.
Wow.
I wanted
Now go do
I'm the best camper here.
your exit interview.
Yep, go with Carly.
Go, Carly.
I can't believe it. I was side-swingled. I can't believe I lost.
Who do you feel should have went home?
I can't believe that I lost it. I was side-swingled. I'm the oldest camper here. I'm the best camper here. I know how to camp better than anybody else. I don't understand. I'm very upset. Very upset.
Who do you feel should have went home?
Randy.
Okay.
That's why I'm